Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download Luma AI app in your iPhone. So guys, if you don't know how to download this app, then this video is for you. Since we're using an iPhone, we just need to go ahead and open App Store, and that is where we download apps. And now just look at the lower bar and tap on search. So just type in Luma AI and tap on search. Guys, the first option that appears is the Luma AI, so tap on it and tap on get. Verify that it's you by double clicking the Face ID, or you can also use your password and it will start downloading. Guys, there you go. That's how you download Luma AI app in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.